Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in Google Docs step by step. While Google Docs doesn't allow you to embed and play videos directly inside a document, you can easily add a clickable video link or use a video thumbnail to make your document more interactive. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs and open the document where you want to insert a video. Next, open YouTube or the video source in another tab and copy the video's URL. Now, return to your Google Docs document and place your cursor where you want the video to appear. You can simply paste the video link into the document. Google Docs will automatically recognize the link and readers can click it to open and watch the video. If you'd like to make the video more visually appealing, you can insert an image or screenshot from the video. To do this, click Insert in the top menu, then select Image and upload the video thumbnail or screenshot. Once the image is inserted, click on it. Then click the Insert Link option from the toolbar. Paste the video URL and click Apply. Now, when someone clicks the image, they'll be taken directly to the video. This is a great way to include tutorials, presentations, or reference videos in your Google Docs documents. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a video into Google Docs. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.